Welcome to the Deltashield Screen Protector installation video. Just follow the steps outlined in this video and you'll find that installing your protector is a breeze. Once installed, your protector will need some time to cure for best results, so we recommend installing it before you sleep to avoid the wait. Now let's see what comes with your kit. Each Deltashield package will come with a pair of protectors for your device, an installation squeegee, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and installation spray. Before starting, turn your device off and remove the battery only if possible. Wash your hands and prepare a clean work area. Spray some solution on the microfiber cloth and use it to clean the surface of your screen. To minimize fingerprints on the adhesive side of your Deltashield screen protector, spray some of the non-toxic, soapy solution on your fingers before handling. To minimize stretching or warping of the screen protector later, apply some solution to the top side of your protector. Carefully peel the screen protector off of the backing and spray an even coat of solution onto the adhesive side of the protector. Lay the protector adhesive side down on your device. The protector should be able to slide around on the surface, making it easy to adjust. If there is friction, remove the protector and apply an additional coat of solution. Once it's in a position you're comfortable with, use the squeegee to push away any excess solution or bubbles. The protector might move a bit when you squeegee, so be sure to stop every now and then to readjust its position. Some devices have a curved screen. To install the screen protector for these devices, use the squeegee to follow the curve and remove as much solution as possible. Allow the device a few minutes to dry before tacking the protector down with your finger. If the protector doesn't stick at first, wait a few more minutes and try again. Once most of the liquid is removed, let the device dry. We recommend allowing your protector 12 to 24 hours to dry before turning on and using your device. Tiny bubbles and other imperfections should disappear completely in 2 to 3 days. Your screen is now protected. Thanks for trusting Deltashield with your device.